Long, long ago, there was a scary tiger in the forest. He scared animals with his big teeth. The little animals were afraid of him. One day, Little Fox came with candy. "Dear King, try this." The tiger licked it. "Wow, so sweet. Hey, bring me candy every day." An old goat warned him. "Too much candy is bad for teeth. You must brush your teeth." "No," said the fox. "Brushing washes the sweet taste away." The tiger believed the fox. Day after day, he ate candy. One day, ouch! My tooth hurts. "Don't worry, I can help you. Your teeth are very bad. They must be pulled out." Click, click. The tiger had no teeth. He tried to scare Bunny. But Bunny laughed and ran away. The tiger felt silly and sad. Candy is sweet, but teeth are important. Do you brush your teeth every day? Like and follow.